Manipulating the cylinder on a main entrance door or bumping is a common form of gaining access to a property. Fortunately, it's a simple DIY job to upgrade to a secure cylinder that clearly shows the BS kite mark and 1-star symbol. To further enhance security and provide a visual deterrent, you may also wish to fit a security handle which completely eliminates the risk of your cylinder being compromised. We're going to show you how to carry out both jobs. You should also read the download called How to Choose Your Cylinder, which shows you how to ensure you purchase the correct size cylinder for your property. For this job, you will need a steel rule and 6-inch combination square, a drill with a 16mm and 12mm diameter drill bit and screwdrivers. Start by removing the existing handle from your door, but be sure to hold it on one side so it doesn't fall and damage your door. Place your key in the cylinder lock, remove the retaining screw that holds the cylinder in place from the side of the door, then turn the key a quarter turn left or right and pull towards you, removing the cylinder from the door. You'll need to drill the holes for your new security handle, so it's important to use a rule and square to correctly mark out the drilling points. You can find helpful templates for measuring in the How-To section of the website. You'll need to use a drill to route out the new holes. Accurately mark the drilling points on the outside of the door and again use the drill to open each hole to ensure both holes are aligned. Check the handle holes are correctly aligned by holding the handle in place. Then check the cylinder is the correct size and clearly shows the BS Kitemark logo. Simply take the new cylinder and place it into the door. Use the key to ensure the central cam is aligned with the lock. Replace the retaining screw in the frame. Before you replace the handle, try the cylinder to ensure it works and remove the key. Take your new security handle, ensure the lever is facing the right way and fit the spindle into the back. Simply place your handle on the door and insert the screws to secure. The part of the handle that has the smaller cylinder hole is for the outside of the door and the other half is fitted to the inside. To check the operation, close the door and lift the handle to throw the locking bolts. Then turn the key to secure.